The future has arrived, but it is not the utopia we once imagined. Towering skyscrapers pierce the heavens, their facades pulsing with digital life. Neon-lit streets shimmer under the weight of technology, and amidst it all, humanity and machine have become inseparable. Gone are the sprawling cities of the past. Today, the metropolis rises vertically, an intricate maze of steel, glass, and electric light. These megacities, home to millions, are self-sustaining ecosystems where technology dictates survival. Wealth lives in the sky. The rest remain below, lost in the shadows of progress. Beneath the skyline, the streets pulse with an energy of their own. A digital underground thrives here, where hackers, cybernetic mercenaries, and rogue AI shape the city's fate. Technology is no longer a tool, it is an identity. Human limbs are replaced with synthetic enhancements, memories are stored in chips, and reality itself is filtered through augmented lenses. Artificial intelligence now governs the heart of the city. Algorithms predict crime before it happens, robotic enforcers patrol the streets, and digital consciousness merges with the physical world. Some see this as progress, others as control. But in the cyberpunk future, freedom is just another transaction. Technology has brought wonders beyond imagination, but at what cost? In this city of endless light, there are still those who remain in the shadows, those who refuse to become one with the machine. But in a world where data is currency and memories are for sale, can anyone truly escape the digital age? The cyberpunk future is no longer a distant dream. It is here. It is now. The question is, where do you stand in this neon-lit reality?